Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about a very smart function called IFS function. Generally, when we have more than two conditions in Excel, we use nested if functions that results in a complicated formula as well as more processing time. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, here I have sales data of motorcycles, cars, etc. with the sales amount and the order number. Now I want to bucket each order under deal size category. If the sales is between $0 to $1,000, it is a very small deal. If it is between $1,001 to $3,000, it is a small deal. If it is between $3,001 to $8,000, then it is a medium-sized deal. And so for large as well as very large deals. Now I will create these buckets using if function. First, I will mention if function, then nest and AND function, where C4, that is the sales amount, is more than 0 and less than or equal to 1000. If it is true, then I should get very small here, else I will need to nest another if function for the second condition. In this nested if function, I will add the condition for small deal size. Again, I will have to nest another if function for medium deal. So you get the idea, so I will fast forward it to the finishing point of this formula. Here you can see that I had to nest 4 if functions together to create the function. Though this gets the work done, it is heavily prone to error and takes a lot of Excel processing energy. Okay, now let's do the same activity of bucketing the deal sizes into very small, medium buckets. But this time, instead of doing it in if function, we will be using IFS function. But before doing that, let's look at the arguments that we need to supply. The arguments are alternating series of logic and value. First argument is the first logic and then the value we should get if the first logic is true, followed by a second set of logic and then the value that we should get if the second logic is true. In this way, we can provide an entire logic and value set up to the maximum of 127 logic sets. Okay, let's try this in Excel. First, I will type in the IFS function and I will put in the first condition where the sales amount should be greater than 0 and less than $1,000. And if this condition is true, then the deal size is very small. Then the second condition where the sales amount is greater than $1,000 and less than equal to $3,000, where the deal size is going to be small. And the third condition where the sales amount is greater than $3,000 and less than equal to $8,000. And if the third condition is true, then the deal size is going to be medium. Then our fourth condition where the deal size is greater than $8,000 and less than equal to $11,000, which will make this deal to be a large deal if this condition is true. And the last condition where if the sales amount is greater than $11,000, then our deal is going to be very large. So you can see that I get the same values as I was getting with the if function. If I go and if I check for the values, then I can see that all the tagging is the same. Try to bring this function into practice and I bet that your spreadsheet will thank you for making its life easy. This was all for today's video. Please like and subscribe if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning.